So welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Mm, Another day, another week. I was on vacation just in case. Remember the Holy Week. So, let me read the chat. Back your brother. Buenos días, mi amigo. Let's see. Bora is here too. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Pura vida. Sam is here. For Sam. Pura vida, mi amigo. Granja Monedas también está por aquí. Lewis is here. Welcome, my friend. Marcos está por aquí también. Marcos va a estar atento del Telegram. Está breteando, perfecto. And well, guys, we have the cell zone is too far. I don't know why the cell zone looks really, really, really far. And it's because on Thursday, the last Thursday, the reaction was so hard for sellers. So, well, the option what we have right now, it's open a long position. We got some news today. Let's see if we can catch. So, well, happy Easter. Thanks, my friend. Same for you. Pokemon Gaming is here too. So, well, guys, I went to wait the retracement. Here we already got the confirmation. So well, let's see. Let's prepare the long position. Just waiting, guys. Your patience. Let's see what happened. Well, we got this reaction here. We got some high impact news this morning, and for that reason, we start later. But well, your patience again, waiting the retracement. Not a possible entry at this point. Let's see. So well, let's see. I expect something good. Remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option for you, what is the best offers for you, discounts is there, and for sure read the information before applying any challenge. Phase 2, phase 1, instant funding. It depends of the company. All the companies listed there is because nowadays they are still paying with no problems. So feel free to touch the link and you will receive the information, guys. Send a Xellion if you want to work with a really nice broker with the faster withdrawals by USDT. You can click the link. The link is into the chat. The link is into the description, and you will receive um, the welcome bonus if you deposit more than $500, and of course, if you share me the confirmation, I will add the Telegram signals with no problems, guys. So just be clear. There is the link if you want to apply for the promotion with Selling, guys. Now, waiting again, as you can see, the price touch here, 46.75, and then go up. Let's see. I have only $75 left to complete my phase 2 perfect gaming soon. Probably today we will complete that challenge, my friend. Please tell me one thing. Do you have an experience of being a trader? Please tell one thing. Do you have any experience in Maven trading? Maven trading is a brand or something, or what, my friend? Sorry. No, the trade is not active at this point. Just waiting for. Trade according to price action. I trade according to the volume zones. Guys, I'm not opening any trade here. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting the retracement around 46,765 at least. Okay, guys, the price is falling. The price is falling. What is the leverage for use? It depends of your account, my friend James Bond. Waiting for the confirmation exactly. Put sell. Okay, actually wants to sell. You can sell if you want. You can sell too. Remember, always respect your point of view. Always respect your point of view. Okay, the price is going back, guys. That's a great for our intentions. Mm. So let's see your patience. Okay, where's my phone? Let's be ready. Okay. Okay, let's wait 2, 3 candles in a little consolidation around the 46.65. Waiting the consolidation, guys. 65 it's now. Okay, let's wait this candle. Reaction into the 65, very hard. Uh, really, really hard. Let's wait some retracement around 46.68 at least, or 46.65 again. Let's see. Okay, 46.71, 70. 68 looks like interesting point. Okay. Okay, good. The price is going back. 69. So well, let's start thinking in the long position. Let's go. All right, give the order. 68. Let's see if we can touch again the 65. Looks good. 67. New candle coming. Good. 65. Okay, well, the position it's open in 66. Okay, let me work into the DPS and into the stop. 46.50. 45. It could be 49. Nah, 50. It's okay. 46.66. That for 4. Stop loss 46.50. 41, 46, 80, 50, 82, 46, 85, 3, 46, 90, 40p, 47, 0, 5, 0, 0, 1. Okay. 4701. 46, 80.50. It's the DP1. DP2, DP3, 4690, DP3. Okay, so let's see the price trying to continue near to the 4660, 65. We need to see a very good signal in the next candles, but at least it respecting the 4660. Let's see what happens in the next minutes. Your patience, and remember the most important thing at this point is the stop. The stop is 46.0, the 46.50, no more than that. Ending with a full volume near to the 46.60. Let's see. It tried to recover the last candles, but not enough. Sellers continue with a high pressure. We have a point of reaction near to 46.55. Of course, I don't want to see that point, but well, let's see what happened in these minutes. Mm, Going back to the 46.55. Let's see. We need to see a really good reaction in the next minutes. Let's see what happened. Okay. Little reaction, but of course we need more. We need at least three candles more in red, in green, sorry, for change a little of that pressure. Trying to continue near to the 4660. Price is recovering the price, trying to go to the point of entry. Let's see what happened. Remember, if you don't like the trade, if you don't like the position, you can't resist the pressure. This is your time. You can just close your position. Or if you take a better position than me, 4660, 4655, 4663, use the same stop loss. Okay, be clear of that. Let's wait and let's see what happened. So, well, the point of entry is there finally, but we need more. The next work, the next 10 minutes continued in green. Now the 5 minutes candle ends pretty good. That's it. Pure patience. Pure patience, guys. 80, 85, 90, 01. Let's see, nothing to celebrate at this point. Just pure patience. Pure patience. Let's see what happened. Or again, if you don't like the position, you can close it with no problems. So let's see. 8 minutes, and still the price, the buyers continue with some pressure, so that's great for our intentions. 3 minutes looks great. In 5 minutes looks great. In 10 minutes, it did pin bar reaction, so that's great. But of course, we need more. The next 3 minutes is really important. We need to break the 46.73 first, and then break the 46.77. So let's see. It's pure patience, guys. Pure patience. Pure patience. Let's see what happened. The ones who take a better position than me, 46, 56, 46, 57, 46, 60. Remember, use the same stop loss, no more than that. Okay, probably you get more profit than me. That's great, but the same instructions is for you. Hold as much as you can the blue numbers, and then do the partials or according to your strategy, or close the trade. It depends of your strategy. So, so yes. So the last candle losing some volume. That's not good. Let's see what happened here near to the 65. This is the last 6 minutes. Again, remember, I prefer the last 5 minutes give us the correct volume than the first 10. Okay. Price is trying to continue near to our point of entry. Okay, this is the last minutes for the 5 minutes candle. 5 minutes candle lose the volume. 3 minutes the same. 50 minutes is trying to stay there. So this is really important. The last 5 minutes with a really important pressure right now. And the 30 minutes is wants to respect the support near to the 46.65. But well, it depends for the next five. So really important candles. Of course, I don't want to see again testing the 4660. But well, that is the reason for I prefer just the first 10 candles in red, but the last five give us that reaction that we are looking for. Again, the price is going to test the 4660, 4655 too, probably. So let's see. This is the last four candles. Let's see if we got some good expectations at this point. Continue into the more than the 4660. Okay, this is the last 3 minutes. Let's see if we can apply for the last three candles in green. Your patience. Okay, good. Recovering some prices. And a good candle. This is the last 2 minutes. And we need to see it to continue on the green. Again, if you don't like the trade, this is your opportunity. If you don't like the trade, if you have a different idea than me, that's your opportunity too. So, well, let's see. Some seconds. Okay. So, well, the candle ends in a good way. Let's see. Remember, nothing to celebrate at this point. The price looks so quiet. And we need to break the 46.70. That's really important. That's really, really important. Me gustan tus directos así. Disfruto más el café con leche. Perfecto. Disfrútelo. Esperemos lo podamos disfrutar con TP2, TP3. Full take profit. Pura paciencia. ¿Estás dentro del trade? Sí. 46.68. 11 minutes. The price is still there. Why do we need to break the 4670 for generate the new height in lower time frames? Remember, the structure change step by step. The first step is in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes recovered the price, but it didn't break the 4670 even in lower time frames. So in lower time frames, we're trying to break that point. In 1 minute, it's already taken. Now we need to take that point in 3 minutes and in 5 minutes. 5 minutes is almost done, generating a new height. So looks great, looks great. But that is the main reason to and explain we need to break the 4670. Okay. Of course, at the end in 50 minutes, we need to break the 4670 if we want a clear reaction. La confirmación de entrada fue esta vela roja. Aquí este pin bar reaction, esta vela roja aquí. Más la envolvente alcista por aquí ese punto. Simplemente estaba esperando el retroceso en 60, en 70. Pero bueno, nos hizo un retroceso más amplio a 60. Entonces, esa fue la confirmación. So again, testing the point of entry. So we're testing the 65 again. That's the main reason I explained like the 4670 was a really important point. So hard the reaction. 1 minute candle for 100 pips. Unfortunately. So if we don't see a reaction in the next candle, we will hit this stop. Really difficult reaction. one candle for 100 pips. Now the pressure will continue for sure. So probably we will touch the stop in the next minutes. 46.55. This is an important point. This is a point of reaction, but I think it's not going to happen. This is the last five candles, and of course, we need to see equal reactions for buyers now. But at this moment, looks so difficult. Looks really, really difficult. So let's see. Trying to respect the 46.55. That's good, but well, at this moment, very close to the stop. Let's see what happened. If we can recover that prices or not. The sellers looks really, really strong. Okay, 2 minutes. Again, reaction for sellers so hard. trying to continue. This is the last candle trying to the price. What's the buyers trying to do? They're trying to close near to the 4660. That's the important point for them right now. So nothing to celebrate again. Still holding. Um, let's see if we can see a reaction for 100 pips for buyers in the next minutes. Well, ending in 4660. Important point of reaction. Let's see if it can continue or not. Depends for the next 15 minutes. At this moment, looks really, really difficult. But well, everything can happen. The stop loss is there, 46.50. We need to go back, of course, to the point of entry, then go back and break the 46.70. That's important. But that's the first important thing. Break the 46.70. That's really, really important. So let's see. Now the price is trying to recover some money and testing again the point of entry. Testing again the point of entry. And again, the ones who take the better position than me use the same stop loss, guys. If you take the position around 46.52, for example, even if you take in 46.52, um, use the 46.50 as a reference, okay? So testing the 46, the point of entry. Pure patience. I was expecting this rate would give us something good really fast, but well, it's gold. We have different informations today. Some news. Donald Trump. Um, Everything can happen. I need that 46.56. Perfect. So again, the ones who take a better position just use the same stop loss 46.50. Okay, don't change it. Trying to continue to our point of entry. Testing again the point of entry. Good. Trying to go back to the 46.70. Going back again. But well, again, I prefer the last 6 minutes give us the good reactions. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, this is the last five. So well, we need to continue in green if we want to see better results near to the 46.72, 46.75. Okay, continue. We got a nice recovery for around 150 pips recovery since we saw the 46.51. The last 5 minutes candles ends really good. The last 10 minutes candle ends really good too. But well, this is really important. The next three candles, it's really, really important to continue near to 46.65. Really, really important. So well, let's see. Your patience. This is the last 3 minutes. Let's see. In the last 3 minutes, we can continue with that pressure. And again, the people who don't like the trade, just go there, close the position. We are near to the point of point of entry. This is the last two. Last 2 minutes. Two minutes. This is the last candle. Let's see. We need to break this point, the 46.70. Good reaction, but again, we need more. Ending as an engulfing candle. And let's see if this pressure can continue those points. From speech in 1 hour. Yes, we have 1 hour to continue with the trade. Um, let's see. So well, ending near to the 46.68, so that's great. Some reaction. Let's see if we can continue with that pressure or not. It depends for the next 1 hour candle. 50 minutes ending as engulfing candles. So that's great. That's great. But again, nothing to celebrate at this point. Nothing to celebrate. We need to continue with your patience. Again, the ones who don't like it, you can close it in positive with no problems. The ones who understand trading is about patience, trading is about um hold the blue numbers. It's easier than the red numbers. You can stay with me. If not, you can close it with no problems, guys. As simple as that. That's my recommendations. There we need to break the 46.70. That's the point what we need to break. 46.70 now. So here it's really important to break that point. Really, really important. Again, guys, if you take the better position than me, 46.59, 46.56, just use the same stop loss, no more than that. If you take a worse position than me, now it's not time to open the trade. The only option is touch the point of entry again or go back to the 46.60, 46.62, for example. That's the only option to get a better position. You know, if you don't see the positions like this, don't open the trade. If you see the opportunity to take the trades around 46.60, for example, you can use it by your own risk with no problems. But again, with the same stop loss. Since what the stop loss? 46.50. 46.50 is the stop. Okay, so be clear of that. 10 minutes. Still waiting. Some reactions. So well, 46.66 again. Let's see. Be your patience, guys. It's respecting the level for 46.70 exactly. That is a minor resistance. Let's say it's a minor resistance in 50 minutes. But the good thing is the price is still there. The highest reactions for sellers stop, and now the buyers continue recovering some prices. Okay, so that's a good thing. Let's see. Nothing to celebrate at this moment. Just the same positions is there. And let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. 7 minutes. Your patience. Still waiting. We have 1 hour. I think 1 hour or 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes for this trade. Let's see. Your patience. Your patience. Yes. Now the sellers looks quiet, but the buyers, they are resisting. So that's a good point. That's a good point for us. Let's see what happened. Testing again the 4665. This is the last 5 minutes, so really important to continue there. Patience. The last five is now. Looks like the price will be in a consolidation. Let me find the 1 hour today. Okay, in 30 minutes, we will see the Donald Trump speech. So let's wait another candle for 50 minutes. Let's see what we have. If not, we I will change some details for this trade. Why? Because Donald Trump will speak in the next 30 minutes. So of course it's not the best information for us. So let's see what happened. Okay. Thanks God, the price is going up again. Okay, price is trying to break the 46.71. That's great reaction. 46.70 again. Let's see. We need to see something good, you know? We need to see something good. No se escucha, Mateo Hernández no está hablando, mi amigo. Es por eso. But we need to continue there in 50 minutes. We need to end more than 46.70. 46.70, that 50, that's okay. But we need to end near that point. It's pretty important. Pretty, pretty important. Let's see, please. Mm, It ends in 46.70. And well, let's see. Good. Pin by reaction. 5 minutes looks pretty nice, pretty good. And in 50 minutes looks great too. But again, not a clear break for the 46.70. That's the thing. Ok, ya voy, mi amor. Gracias. Okay, my food is ready. So, well, let's wait these 3 minutes for see what happens. them I'm going to eat because I'm hungry. Price is trying to continue. 46.72. That's great. We need to continue a little more. Ah, well, the reaction for sellers is now. Going back to our point of entry. The minutes price trying to continue there. We have right now 20 minutes. Okay, so I will lay the stop loss. Okay, I will change the stop to 46.52. Why? Because probably we got the some reactions for Donald Trump, so reducing a little the stop loss. Okay. So the new stop loss is 46.52. That's the new stop loss. 46.52 and reduce the stop. So please update the information. Uh, I will reduce the lot size 30%. And I will close the 0.03. Okay. Why? Because Donald Trump is coming, so please follow instructions. I already reduced the okay. So I reduced the lot size. I reduced the stop loss. Now I will hold the I will hold the 0.22. 0.22. It's my position now. So well, please follow instructions. Reduce my first step. Reduce the stop loss. Change to 46.50. Now it's 46.52. Second, close the 0.03 position. Continue with the main entry in 46.66. That 44. But I reduce it 30% of the entry. Okay. So now my position is 0.22. As you can see, this is my position. This is the volume. 0.22. It's the position. Close positions. I take the 0.10 here. So please follow instructions, guys. Why we are doing this? Because we're into one trade and Donald Trump coming in 15 minutes. Okay. So for that reason, we're doing this. I just please write into the comments if you are clear about the information. Los que hablan español igual, espero que entendieran. reducir el lotaje y reducir el stop loss. Es lo que hice porque Donald Trump va a hablar en los próximos 15 minutos. Así que se reduce el riesgo para holdear la entrada mientras Trump habla alguna de sus locuras. ¿Ok? So, well, guys, let's see. We have another 15 minutes now, starting now. I'm going to eat and back, okay? Eat and back. Stay there. I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. I'll be back in 8 minutes, something like this. So well, guys, still there. Let's see what happened with the Donald Trump. Let's see, Donald Trump. The speech. One p.m. East. I think it's not now. Probably investing is because in investing, due to invest in information, the U.S. Trump president speaks now. Well, in 15 minutes. It's now. So let's see. Yes, we are in the same hour. Now it's in 15 minutes. Okay. So another candle. Is Trump really going to talk about war? Yes, the war. 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Now it's 15 minutes. So let's see. $50. It's going back. Testing the 4660. Remember, I already did the. I take the partials here, reduce the stop loss. The stop loss change to almost 600 to $300. So I reduce it significantly. The position. Significantly. Okay. So well, let's see. Everything can happen, so just be clear of that, guys. Just be clear of that. We already reduced the stop, and we already reduced the lot size. Okay. Even if you don't like the Donald Trump will talk in the next 10 minutes, you can close it near to the point of entry. It's pretty simple. Para mí eso es una trampa, stop para subir, puede ser. Pero lo repito, ¿verdad? Ya hicimos el recorte de lotaje y de parciales. ¿Ok? Speaking English. Speaking English, guys. And remember, if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. The prop firm is the best way to protect your own capital if you don't have too much experience, or just generate more capital without risking your own capital, guys. So if you want to be part of the funded traders, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best option and what is the best discount for you. Of course, before applying any challenge, just change, read the comments, read the reviews for what is the best option for you according to your necessities, guys. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. This is for sure the ones who wants to protect the your capital. If you have the experience, you can work with your own capital. XELLION is a really good option if you prefer use the USDT and receive the faster withdrawals by USDT, guys. So yes, the link is into the chat and the link is into the description. Okay. My expectations for this week, at least, still in positive for 600, 700 for open for data withdrawal next Friday. So let's see. It's pure. It depends for for this week. The results for this week. When Trump speaks in 10 minutes. I want to change the name of my Founder account. Is this possible? Yes, you can use a nickname, but it depends of the company what you choose. Just go there into the Profit Match, and you will see the options, guys. You can use a nickname, my friend. For example, here in from the next, you can use your nickname. Well, Graham use sushi, sashimi. So of course, it's not the name for him, but you are using your nickname. Or if you want to use the real name, well, Brandon, you have the top step, and always have the depends of your necessities, guys. The link is there, Sufi. There's the options. Okay, 8 minutes. 8 minutes, and we're still near to our point of entry. So remember, guys, if you're not ready for lose, close the position. Why? Because everything can happen at this point. The price can go back direct to the stop loss, or the price can go up direct to the TP2, TP3, or full take profit. We don't know. It's Donald Trump. Okay. So, Sophie, I don't know. Just check with the customer service. ¿Me puedes explicar lo del funding, mi amigo? Claro, simplemente si quiere una cuenta de fondeo, entra en el link. Una cuenta de fondeo es como un examen. Si pasas examen, va a tener una cuenta para usted poder tradear de forma más segura y puede hacer retiros sin problema. Todas las compañías dentro de Prompt Match continúan pagando sin ningún problema. El link está en la descripción. Así que simplemente clic en el link, se crea una cuenta y de ahí escoge cuál es su mejor opción. Cualquiera de esas va a funcionar sin ningún problema, de acuerdo de cuánto necesita, ¿verdad? De cuánto quiere gastar y demás. Pero es parte de pasar una prueba de fondeo. Requiere ciertos conocimientos. eh, si no los tiene, pues probablemente no los pase, ¿verdad? Pero es parte de, es parte de. Yo recomiendo, si está empezando, cuentas de fondeo para verificar y que todo lo tenga de la forma correcta, la información y demás. Si no, simplemente pues eh, esperar, esperar, ¿verdad? Para crear una cuenta y demás. Hay que pagar para acceder a esas cuentas, claro, hay que pagar. Eh, Nada en trading es gratuito, mi amigo. 5 minutos, 5 minutes. I was smoking to support, and they gave me in 3 days to respond. But okay, that's that responsibility is to the customer support, not here. So good luck, my friend. Please, bro, recover my losses. No, it's your losses. Probably I'm unable to recover that losses. Sorry for you, but you have if you can accept the stop loss, better to choose another channel. Here, remember the stop is 46.52. We are going to see many spikes, guys. Well, so just be ready, ready for any result. Qué pereza con esos imbéciles, man. Don't spam, guys. Don't spam. Yes, I already informed. If we reduce the lot size, we reduce the stop loss because of the Donald Trump. In an hour, I think it's now. No, in 3 minutes or something like this. Yeah, 1 p.m. East. I think 1 p.m. East is now in 2 minutes. Going back. 4660. It was 7 hours ago for the speeches coming. I never trade the news, yes, but again, I already advised that if you don't want to hold the position, you can close it. If you don't like to touch the stop loss, you can close it. The ones who understand this is a risk investment, this risk trade because Donald Trump is coming, reduce the lot size and reduce the stop loss. We already reduced the stop loss. I'm okay with the stop. So I'm already reduced the lot size. That's important. So, well, that's the thing. Trump speaks soon. Yes, I'm waiting. Trump speak now. I think the speech is now, but I don't see any. Which perfume is good? It depends of you. It depends of your country. It's very important. But if you want to go with the perfume, just go there. Just go there into the link, and you will see what is the best one now into the markets. I will try to transmit this information when Donald Trump go live, but the thing is not now. Now he has. Everyone is waiting. Everyone is waiting here. So well, not too much. Not too much to do at this moment. Just waiting. Trump speaking soon. Yes. Remember, we changed the stop loss. We reduced the stop loss to 46.52, guys. 46.52. So be clear of that. Okay, be clear of that. Testing the 46.55. Waiting the Donald Trump. Nothing at this moment. Just everyone is waiting. Another loss. Real Green Master. If you don't like the trades, just get out of my channel. Unfollow me. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Just go there and click the unfollow. Into the name of the channel, you can click there and unfollow. Simple as that. He talks too much lately. Yes, sometimes. He's trying to move market. Yes, he always move the markets. He always move the markets. Exacto, Carelli. Pero bueno, es parte siempre del, de lo que tenemos día a día. ¿Verdad? Aprovechan cuando ven negativo, aprovechan para salir y hablar. Y hablar. Pero bueno, déjelos, no importa. Ya les dije, si no les gusta, simplemente quitan el follow y listo. Okay, nothing at this moment, guys. Trump still there. 7 minutes. 7 minutes late. Brian Roldan, porque sí son de imbéciles siempre. Siempre. Pero bueno, por lo general, lo que me motiva a mí, por lo general, la gente que habla español es la que siempre está ahí, bien pendiente, siempre entiende bien la información. Algunos que hablan inglés de algunos países un poco random, son los que ponen ahí las tonteras, pero bueno, es parte de. Pues me encantaría que el chat hablara más español, pero bueno, la mayoría habla inglés, entonces a esperar. Un abrazo desde Chile, gracias, monito, pura vida. Y el viernes se terminó con un full take profit de casi 400 pips. Hoy estamos con un stop loss de 140, un poquito amplio. Pero bueno, dependemos últimamente, siempre dependemos de Donald Trump, así que bueno, veremos qué pasa. Started live now. Um, well, guys, I'm waiting. I'm waiting the positions here. So I already take my decision to hold the trade. But what means hold the trade? I reduce the stop loss and I reduce the lot size. So that means is the risk is lower. Trump is now, guys. Okay. He's talking about one guy from fly go into the iron. Okay, well, we try to read the things what he's saying. He's talking about the military options and everything. So well, that's it. Is there? Mm, it will touch the stop. The stop is there, guys. The stop is there. So well, the stop was there. For that reason, I explained like we need to reduce the lot size and we need to reduce the stop because probably we will see high volatility market conditions. Trump is talking now, so please don't hold positions in negative. Don't hold positions in negative. It's very important to understand that, guys. Please. Okay. Um, he's talking about war. Basically, talking about this one guy from the United States Army who fall into the Iran lands. What else? Okay, they're talking about rescue missions. Look, it trade that was a difficult trade. It was pretty simple if we don't have that Donald Trump speech. But well, they try very hard to go back to the 4670 and it break this position. So not too much to do. Don't hold positions in negative, please. Don't hold positions in negative. Understand that. Stop here. Don't hold positions in negative. So well, we have three trades for this month, for April month. Um, 410 pips in positive. The counts looks like this. Well, of course, this trade minus $300. Last 7 days, plus 70 $70. Difficult week, the last week. And the resume for the last 30 days, plus $2,671 in positive. So well, great. That's great. The position looks good, but it already touched the stop there, and Donald Trump is still speaking about this. Uh, he's talking about the operations of the army, using words like unbelievable power, powerful. Trying to explain, but well, I don't care now. I don't care about that. So well, the stop is there, guys. Not too much to do. I will recover for the people into the Telegram. I will recover for the people of Telegram into the Tokyo session and the people into this channel. The rest of the people, I'll be back next New York session, guys. Three trades for April. Remember, we don't work last Thursday and we don't work last Friday. So just for be clear of that. Um, and well, unfortunately, the price touched the 46.52. Not too much to do. Not too much to do. For the sellers, it's not happening what they want to go to. Just go back to the 46 or 45 again. The price is still there. Good reactions, liquidity, both sides. Thanks to Donald Trump, we're going to be there, guys. Okay. So well, this is the reactions. Well, Donald Trump is going to talk about war. Okay. So for that reason, we need to take care of that. Please understand, it's difficult. Um, don't hold positions in negative. Sir, I liquidate $1,500. Sorry for you, my friend. Next time, use the stop loss, my friend. Next time, use the stop loss. So, well, guys, see you soon. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. I'll be back for recovery in Tokyo sessions for the people into the Telegram and for the people into the Discord. And I'll be back here next New York session too, guys. Remember, the Telegram, it's only one payment for $192. If you're interested, just go there. Qué bonito, gracias, mi amigo. Nos vemos. Buen día a todos. Nos vemos. No holdem, no hagan nada. Dejen que Donald Trump hable. Y de ahí ya luego volvemos a recuperar sin problema. Una pequeña pérdida empezando la semana. Así que veremos qué pasa. Ok. Pero eso, again. Sí, perfecto. Andrea Balbuena, claro que sí. Un abrazo. Again, loss. Sorry for you. Sahish. If you don't like to lose, this is not your channel. Just go and unfollow the channel. It's very simple. The ones who understand, we are doing trading, and this is not it's not easy, you know, to clarify the position against with the with Donald Trump is difficult again. Many people was in a sell position since Donald Trump started talking, and now the price is going back. So well, it's it's pure it's pure the expectations what is not happen when Donald Trump is going to talk. Now he will talk for around 1 hour or something like that. So it's better just stay away. Stay away, be patient, and we will recover in the next sessions, guys. Okay, so see you soon. Thanks for your time, guys. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the good comments. Thanks for the bad comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the dislikes. And everything. Why we trade news, Bartos? Because I opened the trade 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. Well, we fall into the into the news during the Donald Trump, and well, that was the reaction for Donald Trump. Probably we will test the 4680, 4688 in the next sessions. Toti back in Tokyo session, yes, but just for the people into the Telegram and just for the people into the Discord. Here, I'll be back in New York session as usual. So see you soon, guys. Thanks for everything, and I'll be back tomorrow, guys. See you soon, and remember, don't hold positions in negative. Never. Understand that?